What's going on, guys? Make Money Media back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online by just watching videos. I'll also be showing you the 5 best methods to do just that. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus method that can make you even more money online. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So I'm going to be showing you 5 legit platforms that you can use to make money by watching videos. Now keep in mind I'm going to be showing you 5 of them, so if you don't like the first one or the second one, there will be 3 other ones that you might like. Let's just get into the website right now. The first website is called Earnably.com. So head up to the search bar, put in Earnably. And then it's going to pull up this page where you can sign up. I've already signed up, so I'm not going to do that right now. Just click on this sign up button right here and then follow instructions, and it'll take you to this landing page where you can actually choose between different types of offers. But we're going to head up here to where it says Earn. And then we got offer walls, daily surveys, videos, and you can click on some of these other ones, but today we're going to be concentrating on videos and making money watching them. So we're going to click on that. If I click on that, it's going to take me to the video section. So right here you can actually earn money by just watching videos, which is pretty cool. And by the way, make sure to keep watching because the third website is the best one. Make sure you don't click off this video, because if you just click on this video and then you watch the video, you're not going to get your points. You need to make sure that you sign up on this website as well, just to make sure that they can track your videos. So I'm just going to watch this video and then I will earn 1 point. Now that's literally all you need to do on this website. You just need to sign up, then go to videos, then choose a video section, then you can start watching. Now that's it for the first website. Let's go to the second website right now, which is called superpay.me. This is a pretty decent platform to make some money by watching videos. Now if you sign up today, you can already get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. You can see right there. I'm just going to go to my account and then I'm going to show you how you can make money by watching videos. This is what it looks like inside my account, and you actually need to head over to the offer wall. But before that, I want to show you that this is actually legit. I'm not just showing you some random websites. As you can see right there, people are actually getting paid into their PayPal accounts. Now if you actually want to earn money on this website, you can do a lot of stuff. But you're here to make money online by watching videos. For that, you need to go to offer walls, and then you can choose between any of these. I'm just going to click on engage videos, and then it's going to take me to the same video section just like the other websites. Now let's just check out how to do this. It's going to be the same as the other websites. You can choose a topic and then click on any of these videos. And once again, it's going to take you to the video section where you need to watch the video and make sure you don't click away. And make sure you actually sign up for an account on this video section as well, because otherwise you won't get your points. So make sure you actually follow all the steps in this video. Now, as you can see right there, an account is now required to cash your earnings out. Please sign up. It's free, or log in through your account. So make sure you actually sign up for an account on this platform as well. On Hideout TV, which you can do right there. Now make sure you do that and you will get the points for watching these videos, and you can cash out on the SuperPay website. All you need to do for that is go to reward and then click right there, withdraw your cash, and that's literally it. Now let's get into the third website right now, and that website is called Inbox Dollars. Now this is actually a pretty famous website. A lot of people are using this, and as you can see right there, you can already get a $5 sign-up bonus. You actually need to get $10 in order to cash out, but you can see right here, be rewarded for watching TV, taking surveys, shopping, and cash offers. But we're focusing on watching TV. You can actually do that, and you can earn money by watching TV or just watching videos in general. Now let's take a look at how this actually works. Brands pay them for consumer input. We recruit members like you, and then you're going to do online activities such as paid surveys, paid videos, and TV. You can see right there that this is the one we're going to take a look at in this video. And you can earn real cash, not points for this. That's what I like about this one. This is actually going to give you real money, no points, no gift cards, actual cash. Now if I scroll down, you can find out how to earn this money. Once again, we're concentrating on watching videos and getting paid for this. And for that, you can read this right here. Big brand companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content, like movie trailers or new product features. They pay us, and we share a portion of those earnings with you. You're actually going to get a cut of that payment. So this is a pretty decent way to make some extra money online, and this website has been around for years. As you can see right here, 2000 to 2021, they are legit, they pay, and you can make some decent money on this site. Now that was the third website. Let's get into the next one, which is going to be the fourth one, which is called swagbucks.com. I'm just going to show you how this works and how you can earn money. Now you can earn free gift cards and cash for everyday things you do online. Here's how. You can shop online, and as you see right there, watch entertaining videos, and you can do other stuff as well, but you're here to make money online by watching videos, which you can do on this platform. You're going to earn points by watching these videos, and you can then redeem those points for PayPal money. You can also cash out for Amazon gift cards, but you probably want to earn real money with PayPal, and you can do that with Swagbucks. This is real, it's actually legit. Swagbucks has been around for a number of years. They actually pay you into your PayPal account just for watching videos. If you want to sign up, it's going to be free, it's going to be fast and easy to do. And after that, you can literally get started right away. Let's get into the final website right now, which is called Pico Workers. Now this is a great website to make your first dollar online. On this website, people are listing simple jobs. It doesn't get any easier than this. So I'm just going to show you how it works once you sign up and log in. So if you come over here, you have a few options. Most recent, highest paying. I'm going to click on most recent, and then I have it set on video marketing, apply. As you can see here, we have watch YouTube video, 19 cents. We have just watch and like. We have watch, like, and leave an honest comment. Most of the time, there are tons of offers about watching YouTube videos. Most of these are pretty simple to do. You can click on all of these websites and earn up to 20 cents just for doing that. Now, Pico Workers have been around for many years, so this is legit. People need you to do these jobs, and they will pay you for this. So if you want to make your first dollar online, make sure you go sign up on Pico Workers right now. That's it for the 5 best methods. But I did promise if you stay to the end of the video, I'd show you a bonus method that can make you even more money online. So here we go. The bonus method I'm going to show you is a website called volcano.com. So here you can see the website pays people to watch videos online, what's hot, watch and rate videos for new movies, TV shows, and more. So you just watch these movies for free, rate these new movies and TV shows, and get paid for it. And you can make a lot of money by doing this because you can watch as many as you want. They have a lot of great movies that you would normally have to pay to watch, but instead they're going to pay you to watch. So how does it work? As soon as you watch a TV show or movie, you earn flow. And when you earn enough flow, you cash out in PayPal or gift cards. And it says right here, just give quality feedback and you will earn more flow faster, as well as gain access to exclusive content. To rate the videos, as soon as you're done watching the video, you can rate using these emojis. You can rate them as hot or not and use the emojis to rate how you felt during that movie. This feedback is going to help this company or the studio who made the movie so they can go out and make even better movies. And as soon as you're done racking up the flow, you can cash out. To make even more money, create multiple accounts and watch across multiple devices. It's a great way to pass time and make money along the way. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and I hope it gave you some ideas if you wanted to make some money online and you didn't know where to start or what to do. I hope this video gave you a couple ways you can do that. If you're home and you can't leave the house, but you still want to be entertained while making money online, you're going to want to try this out. It's simple and it's free. You don't have to pay anything to get started, and get started today. But now, if you're not really a fan of any of these methods and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description and get started today. And if you want to check out any other videos about making money online, you can click on the video that's on the screen right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.